Hi guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the monitor stand that I purchased yesterday. The reason I purchased this stand is because I show you one photo of my desk. I try to use my previous stand for my laptop, and because of that I had to use the stand came with the monitor. But as I'm quite tall, the stand just doesn't work, and also the stand's very bulky and it just takes a lot of my desk desk space. So I thought it can't be like that. I have to use some sort of stand. I purchased this one. This one is not very expensive. It's around 129 Australian dollars. So I took it. Anyhow, I'm going to do an unboxing for you, and if we have time, then maybe I can try to install this one onto my existing monitor and show you the results. What does it look like after putting this on? Okay, that's what's inside. It has a rough guide. How to use this one? Okay. So the height of the monitor should be around the same height of your head. Okay. Okay. Anyway, adjust them later. Okay, that's the menu. It looks better than the one I purchased. The stand that I'm using for my laptop right now is also from Kensington, but that one I don't like it. It's a bit too rough and very hard to adjust. But as you can see, this one also doesn't look good. Okay, this one used to attach the monitor. Okay. And it has a warranty manual. That's the main stand. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. It's empty. Just the vessel mounts and the stand and the menu, and also some adjustment sticker for your height. That's the box. Looks quite complicated. The stand it looks okay. Plastic here and then metal here, and it has this mechanism, very easy to rotate, and this part is not metal, it's plastic, and it goes up and down. Okay. And just this part is plastic, metal, and metal. It has the sticker. And that's the mount. Okay. Yeah, let's first mount the monitor. Okay. Okay, that's the end of the unboxing parts, and the next part is to actually put this on to my monitor, and also put everything onto my desk, and show you guys the final result. So that's the second part. Let's follow the step. The first step is to install this one on. Oh, these parts, this one is B. I mean, they should label the parts with the letters, and then it's easy to reference. This one is B. Okay. First put it on and then put B. You don't need to do these parts. It's already secured when it's installed. So the menu is a bit confusing, you see. No need to do these parts. Okay. So I guess you only need to attach B. This one is should be just for the cable routing. Oh, you don't need to screw them on, you just press and click, and okay, that's the first part. So you use this method in case it's 0 to 90 millimeters, 50 to 90 millimeters. And you use this approach if you are attached to a wall, and with this approach you draw a hole. So that's this part. For my case, I don't need to use this one, no need. So for my case, just the first step, no need to do this step either. Okay, then we go to the monitor part. Let me take down my monitor. Hi guys, I'm back. You do need to use. I found out you do need to use some of the stuffs here. So especially this one. It's an Allen key, but the screws, so you can use to screw them on. So you need to use these. I think for my ASUS monitor, I should use the M-A screws. Also, you need to remember to put on the washer. So as indicated on the manual, you can't just use the screws. You should also put on the washer. Yeah, it's definitely N-A type screws. Oh, I made a mistake. When you orient, also want to show you, when you orient the mounts, it should be this way, because you see the trough. This is what holding the monitor up, so it should be this way. Okay. The washer also has side. One is flat, the other one is not flat. I think the flat side should facing down. So when you screw them on, you will exert some pressure. The quality of these mounts, I think, is much better than the one I got previously. Okay, I first try to just secure them and then tighten them later. One characteristic of ASUS that I don't like is I don't like those flash stuff like gold color and reflective plastic, things like that. I really don't like. But anyhow, that's the package they're selling. So this one's secure, and let me put the stand onto my table and I show you guys later. Hi guys, I just put on the stand and I found out there's a fatal flaw with the monitor stand. I have to return it. You see this one. So what this one is constructed of is, this one is metal and then plastic, and then it has a plastic or metal screw. Okay, I'll show you the construction. So that's the construction. This piece is a metal piece. The problem with this stand is that this one is very soft. Yeah, this one is very soft, and for me, it's out of the box. It doesn't work. And this piece of plastic, and then you have a plastic with a screw. Let me just show you why I put them on. It's already broken. Why is that? I'm so disappointed because I was looking forward to receive the item today, but I don't know the quality of the stand against Kensington is so bad. So probably next time I won't buy any products from Kensington. I mean, it looks good, but it doesn't work. That's the problem with this one. It looks good, it doesn't work. And also I worry that if I use the stand, then maybe one day you will just drop it and you will damage my monitor. I mean, maybe it's lucky. It's lucky I find out now and I can still return it. Okay, that's the truth. It's already broken, you see. It doesn't, no matter how much you tighten it, it will just rotate. The problem with this one is the quality of the metal, and it's so soft and it doesn't work. Okay, I mean the design is nice, but they try to custom corner. Maybe they import these components they source from a factory that produce this one at a very low cost, but the whole thing just doesn't work. Okay, that's the end of this video, and thanks guys for watching. Again, please, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe this channel just to support me to grow this channel, to produce more content and also improve the quality as time goes by. And anyhow, thanks guys for watching. See you. Hi guys, I just want to add one more thing. This is the vessel mounts. Basically attached. This one should attach the back of your monitor, and then put the whole thing onto the stand. With these mounts, this part should be really flat, because this mount you cannot adjust the monitor by rotating it sideways. So that means if we mount the monitor according to this one, to these parts, okay, the monitor will not facing you directly, and there's no way to adjust it. Yeah, that's the additional point I want to add to this video. Overall, I would not recommend buying these products. The quality is just very bad. The first one is the most crucial link between the monitor and the stand doesn't work. It's not working. It's just very bad. The second one is the quality of individual components is not good, as indicated by this photo. I'm really disappointed with Kensington, and their stuffs look good in photos, but when you're actually getting them and start to using them, you will find out all sorts of issues. I'm really disappointed, because for this stand, it's not expensive, but also it's not cheap. It's $129, something like that, Australian dollars. So I'm just disappointed. Anyhow, hope you guys found this video informative. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribe to the channel and support me to grow this channel. Thank you guys. See you.